Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are doing the £100 Forex trading challenge, and I actually got the idea for this video from Trader Nick, so if you want to check out the original video which I got inspiration from, click the link in the description down below and you can check out his video on this. But basically what I'm going to do is create an account quickly with £100 in the account, and I'm just going to show you how you shouldn't trade by trying to flip the account using big lot sizes, and yeah, just trying to maybe double my money, and if I double it that'd be great. If I lose it all, that'll just show you that anything can happen in trading. It's 50-50 with your trades. But yeah, let's get into creating this account. So as we see, we've got these options. Obviously I'm not going to use a real account because I am technically trying to just flip it. Instead of your £100 you could join my VIP 4 times, and as you know, education is the most important part of trading, along with psychology obviously. But yeah, get the right education before you trade. Join my VIP, link in the description, check that out. But yeah, let's get into this now. So let's open this little demo account, new demo account. Yep, let's call it WillssFX. Email account challenge at forex.com. It doesn't matter if it's spelled wrong, I don't care. Pound standard, yep. Let's put £100 with a very high 1 to 400 leverage. I've seen other brokers, they don't usually offer high leverages, but with Axie they usually do. So let's start this account. So you can log into the account after this. If you're watching this video, just log into the account and you can see what's happened with this. So let's finish this. What we're going to do now is open the terminal. Making noises, I've got to turn this off. So what we're going to do is, with this £100, we're going to try and find some trades now. Obviously we want to make a lot of profit, so we're going to go straight for gold. And as you see, oh look, gold's pushing down. Okay, so as you see, we might see gold push down to here. So let's just enter a short position on this pair. So what we're going to do is a 0.1 sell. So now we're in the gold trade. So if we do actually win this trade down to our take profit, we will make £39. And let's move our stop loss up here to minus £73. And that's what you call perfect risk to reward. It's all pretty much an all-in trade. If we lose this trade, we lose 75% of the account. If we win it, we gain 40%. So let's just see how this plays out. As you see, straight away, even though we're like minus a few pips, 7 pips or so, look, it's just floating 6% loss at the moment, 4% loss. Like, it's just floating a big loss percentage of the account already. So yeah, you've got to be really careful with small accounts. I'd recommend just using 0.01 lot sizes. I've made videos on small accounts before, which you can find on my channel, but obviously the purpose of this video is just for entertainment. No one should try to flip their money. We're just doing this for fun. Oh no, we're £8 negative. Alright, maybe let's just put this stop down to around £50. Yeah, so like around these areas here where it's tested in the past, let's just put it there. So if we lose this trade, we actually end up losing £53. So yeah, we're actually going to wait for this one to play out. Live trading, we are down 11% on the account. Lovely times. Well, obviously I'm only doing this as a joke, but yeah. Let's look on the lower time frame and see how this is doing. See, as you see here on the 5 minute, we had a break of this structure. Okay, so as you see around this area here, we've rejected in the past, and yeah, we break below this level. So hopefully we see a nice push back down now. Let's actually move the stops just to above this area, and obviously our TP down here. So still a below 1-to-1 risk to reward trade. But yeah, let's see how this one plays out. But yeah, whilst we're seeing our account get demolished by this trade, be sure to follow my Instagram. I'll put it on the screen now. I post pretty much lifestyle stuff, what I'm doing throughout the day. And yeah, I post a few trades on there every now and again that you can follow. But yeah, gold is currently 17% down. This is not good. This is not good. We probably could see a nice pullback to this area and then a push back down. But you know, we're just trying to blow the account pretty much. Okay, so maybe we can see a push down now. As you see, we've been creating lower highs. we'll see how this trade plays out. The aim of this video is actually to show you to not try and flip your account. You can lose your money, and a lot of it very, very quickly, especially when you're over leveraging your account. But say I was using the correct risk management on this trade, we'd only be down about £1.80, so around 1 to 2%, which with the markets right now, the volatility from all the elections and lockdown that's going down in most countries, I don't really recommend trading if you're a beginner or getting into trading right now. It's just not really the best time to start. Oh yeah, little heads up, this isn't actually how I normally trade. I usually do analysis, and yeah, just so you don't think I trade like this all the time, just 50-50 in it. Okay, so 5-minute candle turned a bit bearish, so hopefully this one will push down to these lows around here and we can make 39% on the account. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to enter another position. Let's do a 0.02. Sell. Ooh. So now take profit down there again. Stops up here. See, look, this trade is now 30 pence in profit. See, you know, we're balling. Oh, here comes the push down now, come on. Oh no, price is pushing up again. Okay, so we're going to leave this trade here and I'll come back to you once it's either hit the stop loss or the take profit. Okay, so as you can probably see, we're actually only around 9. Well, I said that and it's £11 now. But yeah, we're in a bit of drawdown. But as you see, we actually came up to here, which was about £22–23 in loss. But yeah, as you see now, we've actually created these 2 bearish candles, so hopefully we see a push below this level here. And yeah, we could create a lower low on this trade and then a nice bearish push down to the take profit, hopefully. Okay guys, so by the looks of it, I actually just went for dinner and haven't been at the charts. And yeah, we are down 46% of the account on this gold trade. As you see, around this area, it was hovering around the entry, but we've seen another push up to these lows here. To be fair, we could see a break, as we see a break here and a retest. We could see a drop down here if price doesn't actually hit the stop loss, or but yeah, if it doesn't push through this area here, I do still think it is going to drop down to the lows down here where we've actually marked up. But yeah, this is why you shouldn't over leverage your account. We're down a very large percentage, as you can see. But yeah, I didn't actually want to make money on this account. I just wanted to show you that this isn't the right way to trade. But you know, we still have hope. There always is that chance that it could reverse and smash the take profit. But yeah, we've got to pray to the trading gods on this one. Okay guys, so as you can probably see, we did actually enter another short position. A nice 0.05. Oh, and we've got the red bar. I think that means the account balance is below a certain amount in obviously running trades. We're down 40% on this trade. But yeah, it's actually quite good because I actually wanted to use this video to show you that you don't want to just flip your account. You should aim for slow, steady, consistent gains over time. Yeah, this trade is probably most likely going to hit the stop loss. So yeah, I'm just going to accept this one and take it as a lesson for the viewers of this video. But yeah, hopefully you did enjoy watching me try and flip this account with no analysis, just a 50-50 trade. But yeah, see you in the next video.